Hello guys, so that's my giant trans with Bafanger BBSHD and ASI BAC 2000 controller, fully tuned and paired by myself. Basically the bike has 72 volt setup, 5000 watts plus, we can go even higher. The bike is currently for sale, it's going to be cleaned up, and basically you'll be having a chance to get this bike off my hands. In the bike is also included a final setup with the street legal mode. So with the off-road mode you get 5000 watts plus, and with street legal mode you get 250 watts, 50.5 miles an hour, and pedal assist only. Of course you can always go into the settings and do these checkups yourself, but yeah, that's how the bike looks. And now let's go for a nice test drive. So I don't know if it's visible. On the Egg Rider we have off-road and setting 9. So let me just adjust the camera a little bit. Right, so we're going on the gear 2 now. So whole sensor starts and sensor, let's continue. So the bike runs very smooth. Yeah, it's a very windy day today, so sorry for the wind noise. But yeah, when passing through the parks, just try to be respectful for the others. Just let the bus go. So in comparison to having the Vesk, so when people compare the Vesk to the 855 ASI, I wouldn't compare it unless you're comparing the 50-pound Vesk, because the flip ski, for example, 75-100 Pro V2 can be compared to the BAC 2000. because in regards of the power and everything, because like I said, I have a fully working flip ski as well, which has been tested on a BBSHD, and like I said, it pulls almost the same as the Bac 2000. It has decent power as well. So yeah, the only thing is, like I said, to get the display and everything running on a flip ski, it's possible, but it's just more painful.